you want a mini farm with a large home, privacy, seclusion, a barn, workshop, close to everything? Step right up. This one could be your home. If you can picture calling this home sweet home, please call me today.